when a word of third tone is followed by a word of other tones, the first word will always change its tone. And let's look at all the cases. In the first case, like 打车, 打 is a word of third tone, and 车 is a word of a first tone. Then the word of the third tone will be just like the first half of the first tone, of the third tone. 打车, 打车, we don't say the second half of the third tone. 打车 is enough. 打车. 打车 means take a taxi. In the second case, when a word of third tone is followed by a word of a second tone, like 打人, 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 here 打, we just say the first half of the third tone, 打人. It means beat others. In the third case, 打赌, 打赌, here, that's what we pay most attention to. 打赌, when we find the first word 打 is of a third tone, is followed by a word of a third tone, 赌, then the first word will change its tone to the second tone, 打赌, 打赌, it means to bet. In the first case, 打架, 打 is followed by a word of a fourth tone. We still say just the first half of the third tone, 打架. 打架 means to fight. So here, we just say the word of the first tone, the first half of the third tone. And when this word of the third tone, the first word of the third tone is followed by a word of another tone other than the third tone, right? When it is followed by a word of a third tone, the tone of the first word will change to be the second tone.